A big hi to all. Tonight, let's be completely wacky and try chicken with essential Waitrose creamy tomato pasta sauce. Yeah, my theory is I want tomato soup and put my meal in tomato soup. Maybe I should have tried tomato soup actually, because my idea of tomato soup is tomatoes and cream or milk. I always find tomato soup dissatisfying because there's nothing to crunch or bite. But I'm going to try pasta sauce. One thing that surprised me about pasta is how many options there are of these sauces. When I went in the aisle for cooking sauces, I thought it would be full of cooking sauces and a few pasta sauces, but it seems it's the other way around. There's like shelf after shelf of pasta sauce. Guys, it's hard wheat. It's hard wheat. In 5 years, probably green people will be saying, don't eat it, or dietitians. It's hard wheat, guys. Why do you like pasta? Anyway, let's look at this. Ingredients. Tomato puree, 48%. Water, tomato paste. Water, cream. Yeah, that's what I want. Milk, 9%. Tomatoes, 5%. Corn flour. That bulks up. Elemental cheese. Ah, that's good. I want some cheese. Acidity regulator, lactic acid. Salt, olive oil, dried onion, garlic powder. So to me that sounds pretty nice. I'm going to give it a quick taste. It's from Waitrose, their essential range. Yeah, it tastes quite nice to me. What else does it say? Energy, 71 kcals. I'm going with the kcals, guys. Fat per watt. Energy per a quarter of a jar. How much is a jar? 340 grams. 90, 200. It's about 80 grams. 3.6 fat, but then the sats I'm going by 2.2 grams, so not very much, I think. Yeah, no, that's not very much. Sugars, 2.5 grams, yeah, that's not very much. So it all looks good to me. Once opened, used within 2 weeks, well that's pretty good. I thought it was going to say 3 days. So 2 weeks is pretty good, gives me plenty of time. Place 180 grams of dry pane. Yeah, of course this is for pasta, guys. Why are you eating pasta? It's hard wheat. Not only is it wheat, it's hard. Yeah, I'm just going to use it as a cooking sauce for chicken. Oh, here we go, here's the official. 2.5 grams of saturates, 2.5% saturates, 3% sugar. A sauce made with tomatoes, cream and elemental cheese. Well, that is elemental cheese. So that must be some sort of brand of cheese. 340 grams. I'll use a quarter of a pot, I think. I'll see how it goes. Okay, let's get going. Yeah, my pot's not doing too well here, my little pot. That was and that's we use in Aldi. Chicken thighs. Well, it's turkey thigh actually. Turkey thigh mince. I'm going to put a lot in actually. Whether turkey or chicken thighs have more fat, but this one says it's got per 100 grams 7.5 grams of fat, 2.5 grams saturates, that's 2.5%, so that's not bad at all. Mixed peppers. Foods mixed veg, which has beans in it. What do you call they? Broad beans. They're the only mixed veg I know that have broad beans in them. Broad bean. Diced onions. I put quite more in than usual. Favourite, broad beans. It's great when I get a broad bean in my fork. My highlight. It used to be sweet corn. I think I still like sweet corn. Super sweet. For now I'm using a water filter for my water. I still prefer bottled water, but for now I'll use a filter. I'm going to start measuring the water now. I really don't want much. I think some of them say a tablespoon. I'm using a bit more than that. But I'm going to drain it midway through. I've got my Celesta sprayer from Aldi. Spray light sunflower oil, because I don't want taste from the oil. I just want it to soften it. Softly, softly. I hope. Wait, 450 grams. Well, I think that means 511 grams. Done it the wrong way around. 511 grams. Cover it up. I'll go for 5 minutes. And I'll check. 5 minutes at 1 kilowatt. Time to check. I don't really smell much, so I don't think it's cooking much yet. That's a bit. I would expect after 5 minutes it's going to be a bit. Yeah, it seems well gone actually. I mean, that's edible. I'm going to do another 3 minutes anyway. Yeah, another 3 minutes. This is the cooking stage. 1 kilowatt. And that's that phase over. Can't really smell anything, but it's well cooked. Well cooked. I've got total confidence. Yeah, totally. Nothing can survive 8 minutes at 1 kilowatt. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drain that so I get the most of my sauce. Okay, I drained it. Some say that the vitamins and stuff are in the liquid. I suppose you could drink the liquid later on or something if you wanted, but I don't know if that's true either, so I should take a picture of this. I'll use about a quarter. Well, that's my starting offer. Depends how thick it is. I'm wondering if I'm going to enjoy this more than all my cooking sauces. I mean, tomatoes, cream and cheese. What a fantastic combination for chicken in my subconscious. I think I've used half actually. I'm really enjoying the taste from licking it. I think it might even be a perfect mix. it looks nice as well. I think this is going to be good. I'll just put it at low. No, I'm just wanting to heat it up a bit. Soup, really. I think low is 400 watts. Four minutes. Time. This tray's fitting underneath my microwave. At the front anyway. Just enough for me to put my hot stuff on. Hot plate. I suspect this is going to be my favourite meal of all time. I did wonder this for a while. I would like to taste this pastas because tomato, cream and emmental cheese, whatever that is. Tomato, cream and cheese. That sounds fantastic. What's not to like? It looks good, it's got a good bulk. I mean, it's better than most of my sauces. Cooking sauces. I'm looking forward to this. Time for the pouring ceremony. I know this is important to you. I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to let it cool a wee bit. Look at that, that's a nice consistency. And it keeps for 2 weeks. I'm going to write on this one. I think this is a good idea. 15th Feb. And I'm just writing so that I know when it's done. Is this going to be my favourite meal out of all 28 that I've done so far? I suspect so. And it's not even a cooking sauce. It's a pasta sauce. Here goes. Yeah, I like it. I think I expected it to be a wee bit more richer, but definitely like it. I'll give it 7 out of 10 as a starter, but I think I'm going to like it even more. Final thoughts? Yeah, I like it. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 at the moment. I mean, it's really nice. Anyone could eat it because it's very mild. It tastes like tomatoes, cream and cheese. But I think it just could do with a bit of oomph. I don't know what. But it's really nice. I mean, it's nicer than most of my cooking sauces. So, yeah, I'm going to really be trying the pasta sauces now. I might even try tomato soup sometime, but yes, it's been a great success. Waitrose creamy tomato pasta sauce and my turkey thigh mince meal. 8 out of 10.